Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to increase your Snapchat score. To increase your Snap score on Snapchat, make sure to follow these steps. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Log into your account, and once you are in your account, tap to go into chats from the bottom bar. Now from here, tap on the My AI chat. Ask your AI how to increase your Snap score. If you want to increase your Snap score, try sending and receiving more snaps. The more active you are on Snapchat, the higher your Snap score will be. Keep snapping and have fun. Now tap on your profile icon from the top left corner and you can see your Snap score from here. Go back to your chat and open up the camera, take a random photo. Then send it as you streak to all of your friends. The more you streak, the more score you will get. Expanding your network by adding new friends might contribute to increased activity and subsequently a higher Snap score. Remember, Snapchat scores are designed to encourage engagement and activity on the platform, but the specific details of the scoring system are unintentionally kept somewhat mysterious. The key is to use Snapchat regularly, engage with friends, and enjoy the features of the app offers. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your comments or questions down below.